Who turned the lights out? I don't know who turned the lights out, but you're gonna be the one to solve it. You know, I can't just solve everything. I'm not just some mechanic. But I do think I have a way to solve it. But first, we gotta do this elimination. So, who do you guys think is gonna get eliminated? Well, I think it's obviously going to be Tpot Recovery Center. I mean, they ruined the whole challenge for us. What's so funny? It's nothing. It's just that she's the first one safe with one vote. It's down to Python and 7 Ball. Who will get eliminated? What are y'all's final words? If I get eliminated, then I don't even understand why. I was very helpful in my opinion. Please don't leave me. And the one out is Python. You're safe with 1 vote. 7 Ball, sorry, but you're eliminated with 5. Oh, come on! I was so close to making it to episode 7. It could have been my special episode. Anyways, now to solve this light problem. So, since we don't have the lights, we can't do the challenge example. So, I'll just use a whiteboard. Anyways, your challenge is to find light switch and see where they run off to. The team to find light switch and flicker on is safe, and they choose which team gets up for elimination. Go! Oh my god, you're so stupid. You ruined the challenge for us, and you made 7 Ball get eliminated for your mistake.
I'm sorry, okay?
Oh, recover a bit. Oh, light switch. Oh, light switch. Why do you look like that? Because I absorbed light and it made it so that I'm a source of light. I mean, I repelled light, but so it made it that I'm a source of light. Cool, I guess. Yeah. I'm glad we haven't been up for elimination yet. I mean, imagine we lose the challenge and our team gets picked up for elimination, and I'm totally not gaslighting that the fact that actually will happen. Okay, that's oddly specific. Where I'm gonna find her at, or him, actually they're non-binary, so. Oh, there she is. Hey, you okay? Listen, I know how it feels like to feel like everything's your fault sometimes. I mean, I don't feel that a lot now, but I used to feel it a lot. Sometimes it feels like you're nothing to this world. But there's always going to be someone on your side, no matter what. Thanks, my little Wait, what? Alright, little winner. How about you choose who's up for elimination? Well, I think I choose I Like Forks. They have too much of a winning streak. Dum! Hey, little funny viewers. How about you do a little funny thing and vote one of these funny fellas to be eliminated from the funny show? Voting ends like one day this time because I want to release episodes more quicker. So, yeah. Anyways, bye-bye.